Hi guys, this is the latest Pixel LED controller from HAZI. Basically, this is a budget-friendly, compact Pixel LED controller compared with the popular HAZI Pixel LED controller box. First of all, let me talk about the physical appearance of this new controller. I'm going to disconnect the power for the moment and get it out. As you can see, this is the Pixel LED connector. And these are the main power leads to the controller. Red means positive and black means ground, and this is made to work with 12 volts as usual. Here you can find two physical buttons, this one and this one. With one button you can control the patterns, and with the other button you can control the speed. At the back side of the controller you can find a 3M double-sided tape to mount the controller on a clean surface of your vehicle. And please note that the electronics are covered with this black heat shrink tube, and this unit is not waterproof, but the connected LED strip, it is IP68 waterproof. It is one of the best qualities in the market, so make sure you keep this controller in a safer place. Now let me talk about the similarities between these two controllers. Even though the physical size is smaller, the new controller can handle the exact same patterns of this control box, and with the inbuilt voltage regulator it can control up to 144 LEDs. That means if you use 144 LEDs per meter type Pixel LED strip, the length is around 1 meter, and if you use 60 LEDs per meter type Pixel LED strip, the length is around 2.5 meters. By using an external voltage regulator, it can control far more LEDs. Here, just for the demonstration purposes, I am using a shorter 72 LED strip piece, and the function of these two small buttons are exact same as here. One button is for pattern changing, and then the other button is for speed changing. I will show you the different patterns and speed controlling soon. Now let me show you the functions of this new controller. So as you have already seen, there are two buttons, and this button controls the speed. This is the slower speed, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this is the fastest speed. Likewise, you can change the speed of the Night Rider patterns, and here is the pattern changing button. So you can cycle through the patterns like this. You may have noticed that it is the exact same set of patterns that we have in this control box. These patterns can be modified, add or remove based on your requirement, because I know in some countries and some areas there are some legal regulations regarding these flashing lights. So when you are placing orders, you can always get it customized as you require. Now let's see about the differences between these two controllers. This control box is having a LED strip on it to show what is being displayed on the main LED bar outside of your vehicle, and also it comes with a remote controller so that you can change the pattern, speed, and turn the system on and off with it. And it has two larger buttons to control the pattern and speed when you are inside the vehicle, and also it is equipped with an on-off switch as well. If you haven't seen the full product review of this HAZI Pixel LED controller box, you can visit the link here and get a better understanding of that product. So far, this is the #1 worldwide selling product of HAZI. On the other hand, this vehicle cabin LED strip and remote controlling feature and on and off switch is not available in this new smaller controller, but it is very compact, as you can see, and having the exact same patterns and capabilities of the bigger controller. If you are not planning to change the patterns and speed very often and looking for a budget-friendly compact controller, this will be your ideal solution. As usual, this can be programmed with the patterns and colors of your choice when placing the order. And also, as mentioned, the LED strip length can be customized similar to this control box. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. If you want to place an order or need to get more information, please contact me via email or WhatsApp number shown on the screen. If you like this new controller of HAZI Tech, please give us a like into this video and consider subscribing to the channel to show your support. Stay tuned with us for the upcoming upgrades of these. Thank you very much.